sure, but I'm also an inventor. My latest experiment? Hire William Shatner. But as an intern. No way I can afford that guy full-time.
Hi, I'm Alicia. I'm your trainer for today.
Hi, Alicia. Hi, Alicia.
William Shatner?
Yeah, well, you can call me Bill. Or intern. Sorry to interrupt.
No, that's just fine. Today I'm going to be taking you on a tour of our Welcome Center. I hear they have something like a captain's bridge in the Welcome Center. Feels like you're traveling through space.
I'm an award-winning production designer.
This I gotta see.
Decades, and hey, Bill!
No, please, no sci-fi today. I'm just here as an intern, that's it. I just beamed in. Yeah, I know that look. I get that look whenever I sneak around, and you're sneaking. Go away. I'm busy. Jackpot. You didn't see a thing. Oh. People gotta see this.
Bill! Who let you in here?
He let me in here.
Bill? Captain?
Oh, you're getting out here. The old intern who looks an awful lot like me. He's messing things up.
But wait, aren't
Yeah,
you?
it's a sci-fi thing. Come on.
David, was that? Is that a budget?
Back to the group.
People gotta see this.
I know. It's a part of the tour.
Oh.
Yeah.
You ready for me? Doug. Bill. Doug. Bill. Doug. Bill. Goodness.
You know Doug?
Don't I know Doug? Star Trek designer on props and sets and the spaceships and this.
Came out beautifully, huh?
Oh, Doug.
Hey, Bill.
Oh,
One of your clones said you're causing trouble.
you take the room of a clown?
Personally, I always go with the original.
That's a good idea.
I have a question. Are you really going to be an intern here?
But, yeah, why not? But first, I gotta tell you about the Welcome Center here at the LIFEWAVE offices.
Okay, this is a commercial. Got it.
It's a kind of soft sell. Just a simple suggestion, really. You absolutely have to get back to the person who shared this video with you. I had a great time exploring the LIFEWAVE Welcome Center, experiencing their amazing life-changing technology, and learning about the opportunities surrounding one of the fastest-growing companies on the planet. And you will too. So check it out and just start Bill Center, the real thing, not that sci-fi clone. Oh, okay. Hey, duty calls back to intern. Bye-bye.